Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enable battery percentage in your Windows taskbar. Windows 11 offers a straightforward built-in toggle to show battery percentage directly on the taskbar battery icon. This feature is available since 22H2 and standard in 25H2, works on laptops or tablets with batteries. To enable via settings, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on system. On the right hand side, you will have to click on power and battery. Under power and battery, you will have to locate for battery percentage. You will have to use this toggle button and enable battery percentage, and with that you will start seeing battery percentage on your taskbar in your Windows machine. If you want to turn it off, you can use this toggle button to turn off the battery percentage. So this is how you can go ahead and enable battery percentage in your Windows taskbar. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.